Hi everyone, my name is Brian Miller. I'm from Team 18. And this is our presentation on Band in a Box. The other team members are Kevin Ayers and Jonathan Peterson, who will join you later on in the presentation. So we've been tasked to design 3 new instruments for the band Maroon 4. The instruments have to be capable of playing one of their hit songs, Ode to Joy, ASU Alma Mater, or the ASU Fight Song. So we're tasked with designing 1 wind, 1 percussion, and 1 string instrument. And they all have to fit in the 2 by 2 by 2 foot stage box. And each instrument should play 1 part of the song. One of the instruments in this case will have to play 2 parts to total out 4. So they gave us 4.5 weeks to do the project, and they also limited on us on budget and materials. So for budget, we're allowed $15 per instrument plus $1 per instrument paint fee, and we're limited on material as far as 8 foot of pipe and 4 foot of guitar string or piano wire. So each week we have 1 different thing to submit. These would include problem definition and requirements, project schedule, project proposal, project report memo, oral presentation, and final report. So while we're designing these instruments, we weighed the criteria using a scale for size, cost, aesthetics, playable notes, and ease of use. So we went with 20% on size to make sure we could fit in the box, cost 30%, aesthetics 10%, playable notes 30%, obviously the most important part, and ease of use 10%. So now I'll turn you over to Jonathan, who will talk about the designs.
Hi everybody, I just wanted to walk y'all through real fast all of our designs or proposed designs for the project. We are obviously a group of 3, so each of us produced 1 mid, 1 low, 1 high range frequency instrument, and also 1 string, 1 percussion, and 1 wind based instrument. So just looking at slides 5, 6, and 7, first we have Brian Miller's slides. Moving into the next slide, the 1 instrument we want to highlight is the one in the middle, the wind-based instrument, which will be constructed out of a cardboard tube 2 inches in diameter, kind of cutting in half. That way it can fit in our box, but it will be able to be reattached in the middle as well as slide up and down to produce different tones. This is going to be kind of our lower frequency producing instrument. And then moving into the 3rd slide of our designs, another set of 3, the one I want to highlight is the kind of guitar style instrument made from an aluminum salad bowl with a thick cardboard covering, hole cut in the middle, and then guitar strings strung over the top. Again, using different gauges to produce different tones. So these are all the designs we put forward, and next you'll see how we kind of broke down the decision-making process and which ones we're going to go with. So starting from the left of the Miller designs, we have a percussion style instrument. It's going to be 6 aluminum bars framed with 4 pieces of wood attached with some screws, nuts, and then played by smacking a spoon against each of the bars. In the middle you have a wind-based instrument played by blowing over the top, tubes of different lengths. And then on the right you have a string style instrument, different gauges of guitar string that will be strung to produce sound.
Hi everyone, my name is Kevin Ayers. I'm from Team 18, and I'm going to briefly go over our design proposal justification. The engineering team created mock-ups that included 9 initial instrument designs. Specific selection criteria has been used to show that 3 of these designs will best meet the requirements and criteria specified by Maroon 4. This selection criteria includes size, cost, aesthetics, playable notes, and ease of use. The most important being cost and playable notes. The wind instrument selected received a 94 out of 100. It will be made of 4 feet of collapsible cardboard. This material makes it the most cost-effective option of the 3 wind designs. Acoustic modeling was created comparing tube length to frequency, and the results show that at this length, adjustable wind speeds will produce a diverse range of low notes. For percussion, the final design received a selection score of 91 out of 100 with a strong score in the playable note category. This design will include cantilever bars with lengths ranging between 0.5 feet to 0.75 feet. As seen in the acoustic modeling charts, these lengths will allow the instrument to hit notes in the mid-range. Lastly, the string design selected scored a 93 out of 100 with a strong score in the cost category. The instrument will be made out of an affordable stainless steel mixing bowl and cardboard. It will have 12 inches in diameter, giving enough space for string lengths of 0.1 to 0.18 meters, allowing it to hit high note frequencies modeled in the acoustic charts seen in our proposal.